There it is. You can modify the TOC if you want to, and you can choose from 3 different headlines. If you want to change the headline for some reason, let's say you want to use a dash instead of a colon, or you want to change anything else you want, just do that and click on next. Now the article is being written, and now the images are being generated. It takes like 20 to 30 seconds to get this done. And there you have it. This is the article. Look at the way it's structured. A perfectly made image. Then you've got the article with different headlines. And by the way, this is a very, very powerful editor. It is a very powerful AI editor. If you've used the best in the class, it's equivalent to those. And you can change anything that you want. So there's a particular subheadline and sub-subheadlines. Everything is structured in here. And you can modify it the way you want. Let's say for some reason you want to create more content for this particular headline. All you need to do is select this, and you will automatically get options like rewrite, like expand, reduce, or generate image. For example, if I want to expand, all I need to do is click here. And here is the content that's written. You can change it any way you want. If you want to reformat it or change it, change any text about it, you can do that. Once you're ready, just click on use. And there you have it. The content is replaced, and you can modify the article with AI in so many different ways. Let's say you wanted to rewrite this sentence, this paragraph. No problem. Click on rewrite. There you have it. Modify it if you want and click on use, and it's replaced. Similarly, you can do more than just select content and rewrite, expand, or reduce, or even generate an image for it. You can even create a list. For example, let's say we want to create a list for this particular subhead. No problems, just go into Articalize, then click on Insert List with AI, and you can just type impact of economic slowdown in China. And if you want to include any items, you can. If you want to instruct AI about what kind of items to include, you can do that too. Once you're ready, just click on generate. And you get the list right away and click on use. If you wanted to change anything, of course you can. Format the article as you want. You can also insert content with AI. So if you want to expand or put new content in any way, for example, here you want to write a paragraph on how the industries are going silent in China. Only write 70 words. You can give exactly the instruction you want and click on generate. Use. That's how easy it is to keep augmenting your article, to modify it the way you want. Of course, you can do it by hand too. You can polish it to perfection. If you want to put in an image, you can do it in the edit mode. Click on the image button and you have multiple options. Either you can generate with AI, or you can choose to upload an image from your computer if you have an image that you want to put up, or you can get images from Unsplash or Pexels. So these are free, sources to find images. Let's say China industry, and click on search. You get lots of options. For example, choose this one and use, and that image is inserted in your article. So yes, you have multiple sources for images too, and you can even put in quotes from AI. So you can just ask the AI to give you a quote. Give me a quote on the industrialization of China by a USA politician, and click on generate. I'll put this over here and click on generate. And there you have it, the quote exactly the way you want. So you can augment the article any way you want, either modify it manually or use AI to update it. You can even create the slug using the AI, so it does the SEO for you too. You can create meta keywords using AI and write the meta description using AI. So you will have a polished article with all the elements you want, presented exactly the way you want, in a matter of minutes. No need to spend hours trying to write an article.